Meet the caracal, the agile hunter of the African savanna. With its striking tufted ears and sleek tawny coat, the caracal is one of nature's most beautiful wildcats. Found across Africa, the Middle East, and parts of Central Asia, caracals thrive in dry savannas and open forests. These cats are incredible hunters, known for their ability to leap up to 3 meters high to catch birds in midair. Caracals are mostly solitary, but they communicate through a range of vocalizations, including growls and purrs. Isn't the caracal fascinating? Like and follow for more amazing animal facts.